Even in toughest situations, I've stopped asking people for help. All I ever do is I just ask God that, you know what, I am done with the situation. This situation is causing me misery. Send a person to me who can help me out or guide me through. Give me that wisdom, give me that idea so that I put myself out of the situation which is causing me harm, either mentally or physically. You need to understand that the things that you have learned over time have worked for you. Why? Because you have been continuously evolving. You went through certain situations, and by those situations, you got those learnings. You know the backstory. You know how those things actually affect you. You are a living proof that why those things work. But when you give free advices, the advice that help you transform your life to some other person who haven't walked in your shoes, who haven't walked your life journey, they won't comprehend it. Right. Misinterpretation will take place, and that will lead to you also questioning your faith, you also questioning your journey, and we don't want that, because this path of self-discovery, of self-love, of self-growth, it's dynamic. It will keep on happening. This is a lifelong journey. It's a lifelong project. It's not a contract that once it's done. No. You will keep evolving. You will keep improving. Every single time some other person will meet you, there will be so many thoughts, there will be so many notions that you previously believed in, that you previously preached, and now you are against them. Why? Because you are changing. Your thoughts are changing. You will keep evolving. Okay, I know so many people who are like, you know what? They're so scared of change. Why? Because they feel that the society will judge them because they're contradicting their own self. Few years back, they have a particular approach, right? And now, over time, they've understood that this approach is not the perfect one to lead this life. And they have decided to switch. But then they feel that, you know what, people will judge them. People will question them. People will question their choices, that why previously this person preached this idea, now they're against it. Why? But you need to understand that you have to let go of the idea how people are perceiving you. Because till the time you are concerned that who is saying what about you, that how people are perceiving your actions, that how your words, how your actions are impacting others, you are just concerned about them and not you and your journey, you will never be able to live your life authentically. Your subconscious will always be inclined towards the perception that how can I fit in? How can I do something which is acceptable? And let me tell you the truth, that a lot of things in the society is happening. In today's world, it's happening that shouldn't be acceptable. That is totally absurd. But so many bad things are normalized these days. Just because a thing is normalized doesn't mean it's okay for you to do that. So if right now you know that you have the consciousness that whatever those group of people are doing is wrong, you don't go them and pinpoint them. No, you just let them be, because that's their journey to deal with. Karma will do its role. God is there, the universe is working the way it should. What you will do is you will stay away from those people. What you will do is you will stay on your ground, because you know what the truth is, and you are on the side of truth, and you are on the side of actually evolving, no matter how much time it takes. Because why are we on this planet Earth, which is actually a floating rock in this universe, if not to evolve, if not to love, if not to make the best out of each and every opportunity? And you cannot miss out on having this beautiful opportunity to live your life just because of the fact that you are concerned what will people think of you. I seriously hope this video was useful. So for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much.